Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the atomic and ionic radius of lanthanides. Now, in lanthanide series, means from lanthanum to lutetium, there is a increasing in atomic number, means from 57 to 71, means atomic number increases progressively, but there is a decrease in atomic as well as ionic radius. See here, lanthanide series from La to Lu, atomic number increases from 57 to 71, but atomic radius and ionic radius decreases progressively. Now this regular decrease in atomic as well as ionic radii is known as lanthanide contraction. It is the important term, lanthanide contraction. But why it is happen? What is the cause of lanthanide contraction? So our next point of discussion is the cause of lanthanide contraction. See here, the lanthanide contraction, that is the slow but steady decrease in atomic as well as ionic radii of lanthanide, is due to the following reason. First reason is progressive increases in the nuclear charge by 1 unit from lanthanum to lutetium. See here, in lanthanide series, atomic number increases. Atomic number increases means number of proton increases, and proton increases means there is increase in nuclear charge by 1 unit at each time. Second, addition of electron in inner shell, that is the 4f sublevel, whose shielding capacity is poor. See here, atomic number increases. Atomic number means number of proton and number of electron. Number of proton increases in the nucleus, but number of electron also increases by 1 unit, but these electron added in the 4f subshell, not in the new shell. Number of electrons added in the same subshell, that is 4f subshell, and this 4f subshell is inner shell, not outer shell, and 4f sublevel having the poor shielding capacity. See here, this is the 4f sublevel. This sublevel having a shielding capacity is very poor. Shielding capacity means to shield the outer shell towards outer side. म्हणजे आता लक्ष द्या इकडे की ही जी 4f सबलेवल आहे ही आतमध्ये आहे. तुमचे जे इलेक्ट्रॉन ऍड होतात ते या आतमधल्या लेवल मध्येच ऍड होत आहे, आणि याच्या बाहेर जे शेल आहेत 5d आहे 6s आहे, त्यांना शिल्ड करण्याची जी काही कॅपॅसिटी आहे या 4f सबलेवलची ही फार कमी आहे. शिल्डिंग कॅपॅसिटी कमी आहे. आता शिल्डिंग कॅपॅसिटी कमी असल्यामुळे हे इलेक्ट्रॉन सुद्धा या सेम शेलमध्ये ऍड होत आहे. नवीन शेलमध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन ऍड होत नाही, आणि प्रत्येक वेळेस प्रोटॉन ऍड होत आहे, म्हणजे प्रत्येक वेळेस न्यूक्लिअरचा जो काही इफेक्टिव्ह न्यूक्लिअर चार्ज आहे तो प्रत्येक वेळेस वाढत आहे. मग यामुळे काय होते लक्षात घ्या. दिस इज बिकॉज द इलेक्ट्रॉन इज ऍडेड टू एफ सबलेवल ऑफ इनर शेल विच डीपली सिच्युएटेड and has a poor shielding capacity. Now due to this, first point is increase in effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge increases, and second point is outermost electron shell experience a greater inward pull. Therefore, this electron shell experience a greater inward pull, means this shell attracted towards the nucleus, and due to this the contraction in size occur. So these are the causes of lanthanide contraction.